Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Masterclass with Tapat. This is a place for new age management skills, lifestyle tips for budding managers like you all. So this pandemic is on and it continues. I don't know for how many months. So as a manager, we should know how effective we are while working from home for our team. So let me share some tips and tricks that I've learned during this 7 month while working from with you all. So first, self-care is very important. Self-care is vital to greater success. We all need to rest for a free ourselves from constantly stressful connected environment. The most important thing you can do for yourself is to get enough sleep and exercise regularly. Put down the electronic and spend some time with family and friends. You cannot effectively lead your team through crisis if you're not well and fighting fit. Rely on your team, which is the absolutely must. In challenging time, people will step up if we let them, but if you try to solve the world's problem by your own, then you can't have a good motivated team behind you. Your team can only stand back and watch. Bring your team into the discussions and the planning and execution of the strategies that you will be quickly see how valuable your team members are and better understanding of what they are capable of. Then planning and preparation are the key. From brainstorm actionable strategies with your team, walk through a number of what if scenarios that can be rapidly executed at the moment notice. Some of the worst business decisions made when emotions direct the outcome. Planning and preparing ahead of a crisis is one of the most important thing that you can do as a team leader. The best way to do this through the brainstorm actionable strategies with your closed team members who are senior enough to support you and look after the other team members, and always make decision based on the facts rather than emotion and prevent you from making knee-jerk reaction to the crisis without sufficiently considering the impact on your team or maybe on your organization. Then communicate thoughtfully. Communication is crucial, but it also can be, you can say, the most important thing. Never assume that your teams and client automatically know how to succeed. That doesn't happen on its own. Communicate information clearly and honestly so others don't need to guess and possibly fill voids with inaccurate information. When people are feeling stress and anxiety, it is especially important to share information clearly from the beginning so that they are not misconstructed. Never assume that your team and clients automatically know how to succeed, because it doesn't happen on its own. Personal ideas always do matter. Employees often leave their personal beliefs and ideas out of the workplace for the fear of crossing professional line. But if your personal practice and principle help you to stay healthy, organized, composed in stressful situation, and even motivated, omitting them from your work life means losing a crucial part of who you are. Then in turn can limit your ability to lead effectively. Lean into your values and engage with others who shares with them. Don't dismiss your personal ideas and standard, especially in the face of a crisis. Let's look at 5 more tips that I would like to share and which help you to make yourself a better manager. Even when things are not going well, we don't always take in time to get to know each other because different personalities and the work style clash, especially in stressful and uncertain situation. It is important to make connection. The best team manager or the leader take responsibility for meeting people where they are try to communicate with them in the ways they understand. This means understanding different work styles, preferences, and attitudes. Use partners, peers, and external expert as resources. Too many business leaders fail to utilize external experts and peer groups. Over the years, I have sought advice from outside experts also with my colleagues, peers, people from different skill sets, and tap peer groups and other business leaders for their expertise. Like when I go for playing golf, I'll try to meet a lot of leaders from the every cross of business and try to learn some tips from them, including enhanced leaderships and management skills, strategies for sustainable growth, advice from attracting talent, and more. So, while playing golf, I try my best to forge some good networking. People trust leaders who are honest, and this will quickly lose faith if they don't trust the information that they are given. Fact finding is crucial during difficult times, very important. People trust leaders who are honest, and they don't trust the information that they are given if they are not coming from the trustworthy leader. It's crucial learn the truth and be transparent in sharing them. You may sometimes be tempted to protect people by withholding information or sharing only part of what you know, but in times of crisis like this, people are in search of truth. They will quickly lose trust if they sense that you are hiding some information from them, because these days you can get every information through the social media or any other mode of communication. Reward your team. As we navigate this pandemic, managers and employees all will alike need to make sacrifices to ensure the business continuity and serve our customer. Whether this means working more hours, taking a pay cut, doing tasks that are outside the job description to fill the needed services, you like to be asking people to do more. Incentivize and reward those who make sacrifices to help the team and the company as a whole to succeed. And always look forward, not back. It is very important that we should look forward one step ahead. And obviously, there are some other tips that I will definitely tell to follow, like always think crisis as an opportunity to build something up rather than thinking that this crisis will be moved down or how will I will deal with the crisis or not. There will always be good news. The COVID-19 crisis will eventually pass. Your employees, clients need optimism and hope to make it through the crisis. So keep up a positive outlook and focus on the possibilities. You may not always feel optimistic, but keeping your eye on a better future gives people a goal to work forward and makes you a stronger leader. So people, if you like my thoughts, give a huge thumbs up to my channel, comment it, share it, and subscribe it. Till I meet next. Bye for now. Thank you.